So welcome back to our channel. I am ready for with
Jerome and Camissa.
big up on yourself. So guys, I want to say welcome back. I want to big up all our new subscribers. Yeah man, we're soon over there. Thank you guys for coming on board. Team I Am Ready for Love. I would just want to say to somebody out there, please just touch subscribe, just click it, yeah, subscribe to our channel. Really and truly appreciate the support. We appreciate the strength, alright?
Yeah.
Anyway, today we have a new video idea, so we're going to do that video. It's more like a reaction, question reaction video, something like that.
Yeah. So it's like we're gonna do a reaction video and we're gonna do a little game.
Oh.
Just make it look.
Oh.
You know, look. Yeah. So, so the game is the sentence game. I mean, I tell about. So we're gonna say we're gonna continue our conversation using the letters of the alphabet. So we're gonna say, like, for example, I told me that thing, oh, that, you know, and then you have to start with.
You.
No, you have to start with B. Can we start with A?
Oh,
B,
it's the up today.
Yeah.
Okay, I get it. So the beginning of each sentence.
Should be the next letter of the alphabet.
Okay.
Alright.
Go ahead quickly.
So, all I go and I'm nervous about the video, you know?
Because of our last week to the video.
Come to think of it, I did ask if you do it with me, though.
Don't it?
Every time I come to do the video, something happens.
For real, man.
God no.
Hallelujah!
I don't know how that drop in.
Just say something.
Kangaroo, the Australian.
Let me see what I do.
I don't have nothing on my phone.
Move for myself.
You're out.
The LM? Move for
Me
myself.
say me not have none. You say. You have to say N.
Oh.
In lose.
Whatever.
In lose.
Actually,
want again?
no, I go kill it. Next time. Have one next next icebreaker for our next video.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the question that I asked you guys on the Instagrams was an anonymous look at something, and I did some like open with asking for Instagram, and I also put in an anonymous link. Probably make sure that I did do it again for the new subbies if they do want to join in, but you can join in the comment section, leave your experiences down below. Alright, so what had happened was I asked for people to send me the time you found out you were being cheated on. Let's see if we can find them. Okay guys, so a few persons sent in their time they found out they were being cheated on. So here we go. The first person who did comment say which time, which one at the person, which one at the time.
So yeah.
So I tell the person say give me one of the most memorable times, and they said I was using his laptop and she messaged him on Facebook, and what I saw there sent me to check WhatsApp. Then radam.
Okay, so laptop giver.
The laptop giver because Mrs. sent a message and she got investigating a WhatsApp, and she find all of the radams in there for conquering her forehead and say, girl, wake up.
I think anybody will actually do that though, because once they get a hint, yeah, it's like a natural urge for you to say, okay, I think there's more, so you're gonna dig. So, Ocean visit or I don't even know.
I don't think Oshka she out there no. Her next one she sent too. She said, I saw a number he frequently talked with and saved it, and I called it when he didn't come clean. She gave me all the info.
Chat too much, man.
What do you mean chat too much? If you call to find out in my ear.
Get everything I'm gonna do on back and something.
So if alright, so say
she was a
somebody
jealous
call
cheater.
you. Somebody call you and say, are you a talk to so and so?
As in, call me, how if I may talk to you?
No. Alright, you call somebody and find out if them attack to me because you see their number on my phone. You know, and then tell you what.
Yeah, but I would think that the fact that the person I do whatever with the person, them that knows them aside. So
yeah, but you want the relationship to mash up because of me.
yeah, but if later I find out say you were the one who destroy the main relationship, you're not gonna interest in it either.
As who?
No, if I am the man, right, and you are the side girl, and then you find out say you the side girl tell the main girl everything. You're not gonna until later. So the who you have that and you're gonna get me for yourself.
Why?
You're not a good person. You don't mean me no well. You don't mean me
no, good. She wants you for yourself, so she'll mash up the thing where cause you know to not be together.
I think that should be one more. That would be a red flag for me. Even though everything a red flag. It's a red flag from beginning.
Wow.
But it's true, no. So you don't think I did that good? So if you are cheating, right? And the person you are cheating with cause me to find out because they want you for themselves. You just still continue with the person after me know and leave and gone? Nothing gonna rate me. Because you don't know so you have a certain level set. You breach.
I feel like if me breach?
No, in the context that both of you know say it's not like you don't know. You know that I have somebody and you know your side. Then you play your role.
But I feel like when women I don't know about everybody, when I talk to myself.
No, so guys, I'm just looking at it from an objective point of view, see if we can really empathize.
No, me get what you say, man. Me get what you say. No, say you know, you never did have me back because you wouldn't talk. Kind of thing, I mash up my thing. But the person I think about themselves too, say well, like how you I think about yourself.
Yeah, but you're gonna lose it now because you're thinking about yourself hurting me. Even though I hurt before.
But if she not talk, she hurt herself. So.
No, but you already knew that this was the position open. You applied for the job, you got through, so you stay in the role.
Our feelings change.
Promotion will come someday perhaps.
And she tried to promote herself.
No, sorry, you cheat away through, sister.
And you a cheat your way through. But we feel like if like so suppose you rate this somebody, no, decide somebody like you rate them on a different level and you say, boy, I want the main find out, you know, but I don't know how to tell him. Who she would have just find out on his own.
No, if I wanted to find out, then that's not a hard task.
Yeah, so yeah, I think maybe like you're dead for this somebody. You mean find out that you will want him to go, but you don't have the heart to tell him. And then decide somebody just tell him for you.
If I'm in that position that I want you to know because I wanted to go, I swear to God, that would be like...
You're just a chat.
An easy start to me.
Wow.
Yeah, I wouldn't even need to think about it much. I wanted to know something you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, that was that one. The next one is, he asked me if he got someone else pregnant, what would I do? Found out a week later that he was expecting.
What is
Some follow-up on that.
You know, like you eat some food as a child, and why you go, mommy, you can't eat so and so that you don't eat. You don't eat it already.
You just want to know if you have to be in or not.
Like, yeah, man, you can go ahead. Anyhow,
I did need some follow-up on that, so I said to her, man, terribly. So she said, facts. When I asked him, why do you ask? Is it that you got someone pregnant? Him said no.
No, you never expect if it just come so strong for him like.
Him said no.
The money time for you understand?
No, him said no. Me coulda never disrespect you that way.
I should have said no and then move on.
And when I found out, I'm ready to find all of the money in the world to make me feel less hurt.
It's thoughtful.
Oh, money to make you feel less hurt. But I understand.
I'm gonna try to compensate.
My buy her back.
I think I'm being confused, like he never planned to deal with the whole confrontation like her finals. And there's enough to do so much. I use all I have now for right now that could possibly
but the fact say, alright, you asked me what you done do if me get your so me get somebody pregnant? And then me say me answer and then me say to you say, how are you that happen? And you say, no, me could have never disrespect you like that.
Yeah, that's what I feel like you're cruel, like.
Oh, you have to say all of that and then
Yeah.
next weekend me go find out say and that
the
one.
part, you know, because anything about it too, I don't know how people think, and for me, I'm sort of open when it comes down to the situation. One time I easily say, but no, I kind of think it through, because I don't say anything possible in terms of people mess up or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
So, in the case, like, brother, you know, say a baby's on the way, I come out.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, for sure, like, they're going to find out. So, the second part of your statement, you say, you could have never do something like that. We don't
You could have never disrespect you like
yeah,
that.
what are you going to do with the child? Like, me not understand. This thing
You
is
did that
coming.
hope shit that shit away.
Oh, well, probably if you were hoping for that, then no, I understand why you don't make such a remark.
But I could have only that.
But if it was like a coming child, 6 months go down the line, like, I used to say something like that, then me don't understand your thought process. Like, why would you say that?
Something alright.
Yeah.
But anyways, somebody else said this is from a guy. She breed and married the guy, and then it's a wicked girl.
She got pregnant.
She got. May I tell her what they
No,
say?
no, man, that's fine. I get it. She was reading the message as they came in.
Yes.
Yeah, so she got pregnant and then she married the man, and that's when you find out she already been cheated on. So, brother, where were you when the pregnancy was happening, or had happened, or she got pregnant, and where were you proposal preparing for the wedding? You actually got married, and after all that you find out. You know what I'm saying? But you don't sound like say you didn't really know what going on. I see her.
She get pregnant, and she just the people them say, well, you're pregnant, no, you know, so we have to go married, you know. And then the people they get married.
Is that I don't want to call it church name, but some Pentecostalish word.
Wow.
See.
Then get married, then decide to alright, we'll be able to run away, you know, so we have to just get married and done.
Yeah,
And then get
but,
married. Then get married that weekend there. It look like after they married the baby conceived.
Whichever.
So the man they have no time to sign out.
No, brother, you have to explain to me how that go, because unless it's a girl that's super slick, like should pregnancy, marriage, and after everything you just a find out? Alright. Okay.
The next person said she told me after we left.
Okay, fair enough.
But why you about to tell me now?
Make it hurt you.
No, but don't want to hear no. Keep that to yourself. Anyways, the last one.
I piss a lawyer, man.
Alright, so this is my story. While I was in uni, I was in my opinion in love with someone, and we dated for the greater part of 4 years. We attended the same university, which is UTech, but she was full-time and I was part-time. However, she would wait on me after her classes, and I would get there a little earlier so that we could spend some time, go to the park, the mall, eat before we went to classes, blah 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 blah. Unknown to me, she had a friend on the morning shift. So one evening, her actions were a little off. Something was amiss, but I couldn't place it. So we spent our little time, and today, instead of me walking her to the pickup area, she walked me to class.
It's not my something.
She'll make sure so you're in a class so we can go on my business.
Because people that get born.
No, the first two did that woman.
Right.
Anyway, so okay, not really strange because we sometimes did this. However, when she left, I came back out of class and walked a different route.
Rude boy, mommy put in a class and you come up, go back in that classroom.
When I got to the pickup area just in time to see her getting into a pickup that I didn't know. So I called her. She said, "Oh, hon, I left already. Daddy, come pick me up."
Of course.
I really daddy come pick her up. So I called her house phone and dad answered.
The persistent over there. You couldn't just leave it.
So the man called house phone to find out if I really daddy come pick her up. I asked for him by name to be sure, and he confirmed that that was him. We broke up shortly after. She doesn't know why. We still remain cordial to this day, and she still doesn't know I caught her in a lie. So me say about you, Nicey. So when daddy answer what you said to him, the reason for you calling, you said all the man ears click, you just hang up.
Yeah, because we're no longer interested, bro. Anyway.
No, but you call the man yard. Hi, is this Mr. Brown?
I'm up playing your daughter, so nobody want to talk to you again.
Yes, this is Mr. Brown. Okay. Click.
That's all I needed. Alright. Now, I think this is probably gonna catch me, and probably I'll respond similar.
What do you mean catch you as
because
who?
if we no man as the guy.
Okay.
Because if we have this relationship where sometimes I walk into class or probably you walk back to class or whatever, fine. But brother is smart. You know, there's something alright today, but he can't come carry me to class. Say, boss, you know what? I take a next route for you. So probably I would do the same.
You don't come out and go peep.
No, I come up, but I walk out because the thing about it, if I realize that you're doing something, I'm gonna give you a room. Yeah, I'm gonna give you a room. Because I don't want, I'd rather to catch you than somebody tell me or me feel more safe.
But I feel like would I take it hard to walk out there because me don't know how me I go feel once me confirm.
I'm nervous.
Because once I reach out there and say I'm going at the car and just no sign of the car.
But about that, I went to you call her and she said, Daddy.
And you call the house, you go as far as you call the house and daddy they home.
Mm-hmm.
Shaja.
You're smart, don't worry about call the house phone, like me watch what if a movie though. You're smart, man, yeah.
But me could do that.
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Me not look on the camera, it's like me look on the thing to see the camera is aligned instead of the camera. Anyhow, so I'm not distracted in the video. That's the reason why. You wouldn't understand the situation behind the camera right now. So I hope
I look up here so sometimes I look over this or something.
I find myself looking this side more. Anyhow, I think his one is more for me, brother. I say thumbs up. Your case is kind of understandable, sort of relatable, in the sense that man, I could have catch just about anybody. The partner will say up to this day don't say nothing to her and are still friend. Me don't know if we could have the party.
Why?
Yeah, alright. For me, never feel like a big hypocrite for in your face. So long still your cardial friend, I'm not confront you. You understand?
So the confrontation would have to do there.
Yeah, I think I would actually cut you off. The most I would do is like, if I see you, you're good, yeah man, go and take care of yourself. That kind of thing then. No, don't text my phone. Don't check up on me.
I don't want to tell her happy birthday.
No, don't tell me that neither. If I see you, or cross path, or you hear me, fine.
I suppose I see you, but we never get to say what happened, so I text you and say, you know something see you today? You good?
Yeah man, I'm okay, fine, bam, don't send our next message at all. Like, honestly, we will not be friends, like, we will not be friends. I will still deal with you. And why I couldn't be friends with you is the fact that if you can say to me, say, boy, after me find out everything done mash up, you can apologize and say, no, it's a source that happened to a then me could have deal upon a level. You understand? But me not think me could have known, say, do me that you did nice, say, do it. And we could have talked. I don't know if me reach the level of maturity.
Me probably would have like jokingly drop it in the conversation. Like, we don't say how wicked do and like bring it up.
No, I'm not joking. That's serious.
You're not joking?
No, after I'm done deal with it.
No, but we're done.
No, I'm confront the first.
Okay.
They owe me an apology.
Also, yeah, come to school early again tomorrow and say, oh, you tell me say I'm
no, man, it's because I'm so creative. I'm going to say, yo, you know, some friend call her name. They with this girl though. I'm going to tell a story just like what you do to me. And so I saw the girl to her, man, I'm want you tell me how the girl wicked, how the girl this and how the girl that.
What? Right, prior to that, the story she was saying.
No, I realized me, I was saying you're really wicked because straight to her for me, I can't go.
I just said, Jesus,
yeah, man,
I can't believe she did that.
Empty chair technique. I want to see how you respond.
No, but suppose you say, you know, my friend got through this and Ray, and she said, Jesus, So, oh, she wicked so.
Right now, I know somebody need to go cover up my heart. Like I say, yo, you're cool. You understand?
She's not saying Mally for her.
I say, no, I say, wait till we should say to him, like.
No, man, you have to go talk to him.
And then I cross you as me a class you. I say to the girl,
No, we
and me a class you wicked this way. And then I'm done now. I say those are you me a deal with, yeah.
But she already knows that.
But when I want her to help me cause her, you understand?
Oh,
But I think in the long run, I think average is space too. Like in the long run, I'm gonna actually see and talk to you. I'm not really talking about it and reading about that, so boy, you know, session does also do. What do you happen? And then we're gonna laugh more and talk.
So, in this case, you could have done that, or they would have to get the closure first and then
Closure,
the line.
then yeah.
Okay.
But I wouldn't want it to be the
Cordial
open
and
thing. Yeah, man.
not talk about it.
They're gonna make you know something new.
Me gonna make a know so me know, as well as I can be cordial with you. I can say hi.
If I want to do it, I'm gonna do it. But if I'm doing that to you, most me not never plan to do something to you. That's the only reason I'm gonna add that to you. Like, if you hurt me, because if you hurt me so bad, and me just being, I'm so nice to you, I'm gonna confront about like everything. No, it's a plan here for you. The twin to what I can come and already land jail.
We're gonna do.
I don't know. So I say if I'm doing that to you, then I'm telling you. Something coming. But because me not gonna do that to you, I have to confront you. Get it over with, and based on how we respond from the confrontation, then perhaps you can still talk, but more than have you in my circle. You understand? You're up on the outer end of my circle. Yellow kind of friend. Yeah.
So have you ever been in that situation?
My girl, come out of my life and leave me alone. I was waiting on this. Guys. It is.
Everybody in that situation. Everybody has experience.
I know for me personally though, you know you're
not to tell the story.
No, for me personally, I think my experiences and the experiences that I'm experiencing now.
What experience you're experiencing now, sir?
I'm experiencing now.
What are you experiencing
Yeah, man, I shouldn't
now?
say nothing. I appreciate all of those things because I think it kind of helped me to look at life.
What you appreciate? You appreciate all those things. What are these things?
It helped me to look at life better in terms of how I approach relationship, how I view people, how I perceive people. Even how you treat people. So I would say generally, I'm grateful for the Yamed experiences. And now, how I operate now, I can see how it has impacted me. I can see how it helped me to be more understanding. And I think say you're more understanding in terms of how you treat a person in a relationship.
Okay.
Understanding in terms of when you see certain things start unfold, you know what can likely to happen, what is going to happen, or what might be happening. And I think you learn to sympathize somewhat, you know, because sometimes when you are being cheated on, you might look at yourself as the victim and as such. I was taken advantage of and I was this. No, really and truly, when you really search the situation, the person says that really you're not the problem, but the person, your spouse, your partner, that person needs help. And so it's like you take the condemnation and because mistake so the blame off yourself, and how they can possibly help somebody or deal with somebody later and going through the same thing like your spouse. So you learn to understand that them people are going through something why they do this. And they also help you too to start to big up yourself and say, boy, I'm grateful that I still have some level of integrity here. I'm grateful that I still hold my own. I'm grateful to say I am autonomous and I can manage this for myself. I'm grateful that I love myself. You understand? So I don't go do this back because I want to get back at you. So I think there's a lot of lesson to learn out of this, and I think all of these kind of experience basically make you a better spouse, make you a better wife, a better husband, make you a better person. My thoughts, my experience. I think it made me a better person. Whatever kind of stuff.
I mean, I say nothing, no.
Yeah. You know, you have to say something.
What am I going to say?
It is, go ahead.
I don't have nothing to say.
Guys, if I'm soft yam, this is yellow yam. Here, we're yam.
Everybody has been a yam
Not
at
everybody.
some point.
Not everybody.
Well, they've never been in a relationship, or they were the person that caused somebody to be I am.
Oh, that's interesting. That's an interesting analysis.
But everybody has been or made someone I am.
I don't think that's fair to say though. Probably I would say some persons.
Everybody, as long as you've been in a relationship before.
No, I don't think so.
Unless I do one them where them fully yam out together from its inception.
You still have the few saints.
Them they're old. Then they still make.
Yes. You still have the few saints.
Okay. Are you a saint? Let us know down in the comment section.
Anyways, guys, big up on yourself. Thank you guys for watching the video. Feel free to share your experience down below. And guys, I hope this video is one that basically uplift you. Hope nobody touch something and wake up something so you can cry. You understand?
Nobody gonna cry about it. That go on, let them go.
Yeah, you're more than that. And if you are the one who actually made a mistake in the past, learn from that, move on. You understand? Don't stuck in the past, don't live in the past.
Yeah.
Push ahead. You understand? So again, if you were the offender or you were the victim, whichever way, forgive yourself, forgive the person, move on. Alright?
Yeah.
Bless you.
And as we always say, we are ready for love over here, ready to love ourselves, ready to love someone else, and ready to teach someone else how to love
Subscribe.
me.
Subscribe, alright? Big up.
Drop a subscription, share the video, like the video, guys, because liking the video helps it to go up on the algorithm. Please, 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 please like the video, okay?
Come on, and thanks for the support, guys. Big up on yourself, new subscribers.
Bye.